شكرا أغش يوكير.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Dima Musleh from Gaza City. Inshallah, we will make today distribution for the baby milk with the help of our donors in Aghush UK and the Palestinian International Medical Aid. Thank you so much for your helping here for the babies and the new babies here in Gaza City with this hard situation. Thank you so much. تفضل يا خالته، هاي هدية بيبي ميلك من أغوش يوكي.
شكرا أغش يوكير.
العفو.